Boy, today we are making yam and fish sauce the way we love it in Nigeria. Simple, delicious and packed with flavor. Let's get started. Firstly, we are peeling our yam. Please make sure you peel every part of it. All the covers must go. As I'm teaching you how to cook, I will also teach you how to clean. Please pack all the peels and put them in your waste basket. Please rinse the yam thoroughly. I rinsed mine twice before I even start boiling it. Arrange them properly in your cookware and in your pot. If you are someone that loves sugar in your yam, just like me, please you can go on and add in sugar and salt. But if you don't like sugar in your yam, just go with the salt only. Please give it 20 minutes and your yam is ready. I'm using smoked panla fish for my fish sauce. At this point, we have to make sure we wash it thoroughly and debone every part of it. Make sure you remove the head as well. We don't need that in this fish sauce. And that's it, guys. Let's proceed with the making of our fish sauce. I'm using palm oil for my fish sauce. You can as well use vegetable or use palm oil, anyone you want. My baby brother doesn't eat onions. That's why you don't see me putting onions in this fish sauce. Please, if it's mine, I will definitely use onions. Immediately you add in your pepper, please let your fish go in so that you can feel the aroma once the stew is done. I'm using just salt and Maggi for my fish sauce, but you can add any seasonings of your choice. Let it steam together for like 5 to 6 minutes and we are done with our fish sauce. I know I told you I made this for my baby brother, so let's teach his school lunch. If you are also guilty of not knowing how to eat onions, let me see you under the comment section. You have a case to settle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.